So I'm back with my bird of praise, a beautiful bird of praise. This is also painted by me, L. Jane Huff. You go to my Facebook page and see some of the other paintings. First place I ever displayed them was on Facebook. And most of them are online for sale right now. Not on eBay, but they're on a different site. You can go there and check them out. Just type in KOKI, then Bear, Cookie Bear Collection, L. Jane Huff. Art by L. Jane Huff. And you should be able to find those pictures. This is one I'm working on tonight. I'm still kind of working on that yellow feather, trying to make it more plain. You know, when you're painting with these type of colors, these are metallics, you know, and it's wet on wet. You don't want to mess with the brush too much as far as trying to get wet or anything. You know, you want to just keep it authentic. Painting is something you can't mess up. I mean, you can mess up, but it's not a great idea. Okay, so I'm going up here around the eyes again, and I'm going to create that mohawk around his eye, around his head. It's a really pretty color around his head, which is great. And then I'm going to mess with the beak a little bit more. It's just the colors are needing to be blended a little bit. That black could stay there somewhat. I really didn't want that black there at the bottom of his beak. But it almost looks like his mouth is being separated. So I don't know many beaks that are bottom and top like that. But okay, you see where I tried to just stay true to that color? And if you'll hang on just a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I was digging in my box trying to find the metallic yellow here that I had been using. It's kind of hard to find. I misplaced it. I'm not the most organized painter tonight. Okay, so as you notice, I'm just trying to get this beak straight. I wanted it to be perfectly even. If you notice, I put a little air hole where he breathes, and it's kind of essential with some birds. I haven't seen it on some birds, but I forgot what that's called. Okay. All right, so he has the most adorable beak. It's just about ready here. I'm going to go over it just a little bit more with some yellow. I don't want to do too much here because I don't want to mess it up. But see how I did that? And I just kind of carefully go around the nose, kind of. Okay, so I got the bird in good standing where his beak and the top of his head is all done, I think, and his